Are you still filming?
I'm about to do my intro and then we can go. Can you close the door?
Oh, gosh.
So today is, I'm a little bit stressed out, I'm not gonna lie. Hamish and I are actually going to an event in like 5 minutes. We have to leave like now. We're going to an event this afternoon. It's with Showpo. It's like their Christmas party or something like that. I just thought that I would film a little get ready with me today in real time, actually getting ready, because it's not often that I do a get ready with me video and I actually get ready for something. Typically it's just me getting ready to film other videos or me just doing my makeup while talking to you guys. Usually if I know I'm going somewhere, I'm like too stressed and I can't sit down and focus. But yeah, I don't know. Today I just apparently wanted to stress myself out. I'm sweaty, I'm sweating and I need to eat. And if there's not food at this event, I'm going to jump off the boat. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, turn on notifications, and yeah.
Beautiful.
Love.
Happy?
I love you.
How's you filming?
I only just turned the camera on.
Okay, good luck.
Looks like I'm naked. Oh, this is a problem. We can't see that I'm wearing a shirt. Is that better? Oh my god. You can just tell my stuff. I'm going to use my Tatcha mist and I'm going to spray my face. Oh my god. This is like an oil in a spray bottle and it makes your skin feel so nice. So that's just gonna give me a little bit of hydration, and then I'm going to use my Fenty primer. I love this for events because it just makes my skin so smooth. It's like 1:10 and I want to be ready by like 2:30 at the latest. I know, wishful thinking. For foundation, because I have just like bronzed up my chest with some fake tan. I mixed all three of the Bondi Sands squeezy tube ones that they came out with. It's like nice and luminous and what is with my voice? Weird. I'm gonna mix my foundations, so because I am quite dark and my face has like no fake tan left on it at all, so I'm gonna be matching my body to my face. So I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix, and I just want to see, I don't think, it could be okay. I just took a couple drops of my MAC essential oils. I usually like to add in oils to my foundations, or usually I'll just put them on my skin beforehand. I feel like beauty blenders are like a necessity when you're in a rush too, because they just blend it out so quick. Oh my god, I was gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I forgot. I'm gonna mix up a little bit of that in my foundation, because we can't have that. So I should probably tell you guys where I'm actually going. I'm going to a makeup event. No, not a makeup event. What am I saying? So Hamish and I are actually going to a Showpo event tonight, which is where this little top is from. I didn't even plan on wearing Showpo stuff. I thought about it and I was like, I'm not going to buy a whole new outfit just to go to an event. But I actually did a video for them like a year ago. It's probably this time last year. I did a whole video for Christmas and it was a sponsored one. And one of the items I picked out was this top and a matching skirt. It's like a long flowy one. And like the theme for the party is like beachside glam or something like that, which, what does that mean? And then I was looking at like all the white stuff I have in my closet. But then I put on like fake tan stuff, so I was like, I don't really want to get that all over my white clothes. And then I realized that I had this. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Sand. I'm gonna put a little bit of this under my eyes, but I'm gonna mix in a little bit of my Born This Way concealer. And this one's in the shade Almond. So this one is quite light, so I'm just putting a tiny little bit of this in. Epitome of lazy. So letting my concealer sit there for a little bit, I'm going to jump in with a little bit of my Nude Sticks Bondi Bay. I feel like I'm such a scatterbrain in this video because I'm like all over the place, but this is literally how I get ready. It's the F79 Concealer Blend Kabuki from Sigma. I don't think you could do your concealer with this. Like, how could this get under your eye? I always like to have a base on for my contour, especially when I'm going to events. I always have to get photos on like the freaking media walls and stuff, especially if it's an event for my agency. So I kind of just like to blend everything in together. I should probably look at what my face is looking like. I like to let my concealer sit there for a little bit because I feel like it just adheres a little bit more and it always covers my dark circles so much better. I'm just going to use my Hourglass powder. I've been using this a lot lately. Ow, there's like a pain in my heart and I think it's like an anxiety kind of pain. I've only had this once before when I thought I was dying. Yeah, not exaggerating. I literally thought I was dying. I drank too much pre-workout and yeah, that's a story for another video. So if you guys want a story time on that, I'd be more than happy to tell it. So funny now that I look back on it, but at the time I thought I was gonna die. My dark circles are already back. Sons of bitches. Now for another bronzer. I know, insane. Going in with MAC Gimme Sun because I love this bronzer and I want some sun. I really like this brush, but I feel like it deposits a little bit too much product. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 3 ones. Petite face finish. It's not so petite. It's not very petite at all. So this is the Love Light blended by the Light Highlight. I said light so many times. From Too Faced. This is such a pretty highlighter. There's 2 big butt cheeks on my white chair from my tan. Oh shit, I didn't want that much highlight, holy shit. I'm gonna even it out, fucking hell. So this is Melba by MAC. Oh my god, I wanted to use peaches and I don't know where my peaches went. I mentioned this in a video and I was like, where the hell is my peaches? I don't know where it is. I think I must have accidentally given it away. I'm going to take a spritz of my Urban Decay, what one's this? This is just the All Nighter setting spray. I love this. This is a brow primer from Benefits, their Brow Vote. It's meant to like help your eyebrow hairs grow, but I don't know about any of that. And then I have an in-depth brow tutorial if you guys want to watch that. I'll leave it linked down below. Oh shit, we're going crazy brows today, are we? Oh my god. But I'm just basically drawing on little brow hairs with my Benefit Ka-Brow. I feel like these eyebrows are not looking the same. I'm hoping they have food. If they don't have food, I'll be so cut. I hate going to an event and when they don't have food. I'm like, why am I here? Could wear my pajamas, could have watched Netflix, been near my fridge, and now I have to be here with people and no fridge. I'm just going to use my little Z palette here of all my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I probably should have zoomed you guys in for my eyes, but I'm in a rush. I'm stressed out. It's 2 o'clock. Oh, I have half an hour. So basically what I'm doing with my eyes, this is kind of the look that I do for any kind of event really. I just build up a whole bunch of neutral warm eyeshadows in my crease. So I've taken Peach Smoothie, what are you called? This one's Creme Brulee. So I kind of mixed Peach Smoothie and Creme Brulee in my crease. And then I took this little single shadow from, I'm pretty sure this is from the Manny MUA. Oh shit dick. Pretty sure this is from the Manny MUA palette. It doesn't have a name on the back. And then I mixed it with tan lines from Makeup Geek. Like this one, and then these ones. I'm just gonna take like a couple of my warm browns. So I'm gonna try and keep it fairly neutral, but I always like mix them with the lighter color I've just used. I'm just going to blend this right into the outer corner of my crease. And then to finish everything off, I'm literally just dipping into Give Me Sun. And I'm just going to go over top of everything. I just take that brush that I used for my brows to clean up underneath them. And because it has the tiniest little bit of leftover concealer, I literally just run this on my lid. Just in like the shape of a cut crease, but like not actually cutting the crease. So I've done my eyeliner. I thought I would try and do my lashes on camera. My eyeliner is looking like a hot mess. And then for lashes, oh. You're scaring me. What time are we leaving?
Yeah.
Like 20.
How long does this thing go for?
I don't know.
I don't know whether to wear like shorts or...
So the lashes I'm wearing House of Lashes Midnight Luxe. I like these because they're kind of spiky and they're like cat-eyed. And I really like for my eyes to look more almond shaped. This little motherfucker is not sticking. And then the tiniest little mix of like those browns I use. I'm just gonna keep this on the outer corner in order to keep my eyes like having that more almond shape. I think it looks so cute. I feel like it looks like your eyes are smiling. Why did this one sit like this? Oh my god, that's gonna drive me insane. That'll do, donkey. Mascara, oh my god, I need such a rush. So this mascara is the NARS Climax. Ooh, I like my eyes. This is literally the biggest freaking ass mark on my chest. Disgusting. I kind of want like a more brown lip, so I'm going to do a little bit of Kat Von D's Lolita. Then, I don't know what colour I'm going to use. So, I think I'm going to go with this one. Montagne. I don't know what it says. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that. And then literally just blotting over my lips as I always do. I'm going to do my hair, finish getting ready, and then I will come back and show you guys my jewelry and everything, and just how I've done my hair. And then I'm literally going to head off because it's 2:42 and I need to go.
2,000 years later.
So this is the final look. I'm all ready to go. It's 3:03, so I really need to leave like ASAP. But I just want to tell you guys quickly that I did change my lip because whatever I did before was disgusting. I don't know why I did that, it looked gross. This is the Always On liquid lipstick from Smashbox. I think it's the shade Fair Game. I don't really know, but I just thought it was a little bit more me. Oh, I should show you guys my, let me just show you guys. Ooh. This is what I'm wearing. It's just a cute little flowy top and a flowy skirt, and it's from Shoko. That basically concludes this video, guys, so hopefully you like this very stressful get ready with me. It was very realistic of what I'm like when I'm getting ready. I am always late and I'm always rushing and I'm always stressed out. So anyway, I feel like my back is broken. I have to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.